Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. I'm taking the first question here. Numbers are 2, 4, 8, 16. I'm going to find the difference here. D is equal to A2 minus A1. Here A2 is 4, A1 is 2. Therefore, the difference is 2. Now I'm going to find the difference between third term and the second term, that is A3 minus A2. A3 is 8 and A2 is 4 and difference is 4. Next I'm going to find the difference between fourth term and the third term. A4 minus A3, A4 is 16 and third term is 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. Here the difference is not same, therefore it does not form an AP. The numbers 2, 4, 8 and 16 not form a AP. Second question. 2, 5 upon 2, 3, 7, 7 upon 2. I'm going to find the difference here. D is equal to second term, that is A2 minus A1. Second term is 5 upon 2, the first term is 2, and keep the common denominator 2 here. 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. Now again I'm going to find the next difference here, that is the third term minus second term. Third term is 3, second term is 5 upon 2, and keep denominator 2 common. 3 2s are 6 minus 5, again the difference is 1 by 2. Now the last difference we are going to find, that is D equal to A4 minus A3. A4 is 7 upon 2, third term is 3, take common denominator 7, 3 2s are 6, therefore difference is 1 by 2. Here the difference is same, therefore the given series form an AP. So in this case I have to find the next 3 terms. So I'm going to the next page and write here. The question given here is 2, 5, 5 by 2, 3, 7 upon 2. From this I found that D is equal to, in the previous we got the answer 1 by 2. So fifth term is equal to fourth term plus D. Fourth term here is 7 upon 2 and the difference is 1 by 2. Take 2 is a common here. 7 plus 1, that is a 8 upon 2, that is equal to 4. So fifth term in this case is number 4. I'm going to find the sixth term. Sixth term is sum of fifth term and the difference. Fifth term here is 4 and the difference is 1 by 2. Take 2 common here. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, that is equal to 9 upon 2. I'm going to find the seventh term, that is the sixth term plus difference. Sixth term is 9 upon 2 and the difference is 1 upon 2. Take 2 common denominator, so 9 plus 1 is a 10. 10 upon 2 is equal to 5. So therefore 3 terms of the given AP is 4, 9 upon 2, 5. Already given gave 4 different values, 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. So we found 3 more terms in the given AP. Now I'm going to the third question here. So third question is minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 5 by 2, minus 7 by 2. Again as usual, same process I'm doing this one. Once you thorough this one, you not write everything in detail. By looking at this, you can write 3 more terms. But anyways, might write one by one here. So D equal to second term minus first term. The second term here is minus 3 by 3.2 minus of minus 1 by 2, 1.2, that is equal to minus 3 by 2, 3.2 plus 1.2, that is equal to minus 2. Again, I'm going for the next difference. There is a third term minus second term. Here the third term is 5 by 2, that is a minus 5 by 2, minus of the second term. So the second term is minus 3.2. So that is equal to minus 5.2 plus 3.2. Again, the difference is minus 2. Now I'm coming to the difference between fourth term and third term. The fourth term minus third term. Fourth term in this case is minus 7.2 minus third term is minus 3.2. So therefore it becomes minus 7.2 plus 3.2. Again the difference is minus 2. Now we have the common difference minus 2. Therefore the given series form an AP. So we are going to find next three term in this case. So when you're going to find next three terms, I'm going to find A5. A5 is equal to A4 plus D. A4 in our case is minus 7.2. A4 is minus 7.2 and the difference in this case is minus 2. So plus minus 2. So therefore minus 7.2 minus 2, that is equal to minus 9.2. Now A6, there is nothing but sum of A5 and D. So A5 is minus 9.2 plus the difference minus 2. So it becomes minus 9.2 minus 2, that is equal to minus 11.2. Again A7, that is equal to A6 plus D. A6 is equal to minus 11.2 plus the difference is minus 2. Therefore minus 11.2 minus 2, that is equal to minus 13.2. So now we form three more terms in the given series. So it is form an AP. So first write the first four terms. It starts from like minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. These four numbers given already. Now we found three more terms, that is a minus 9.2, minus 11.2 and minus 13.2. Now come to the fourth question. The values are minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2. Okay. So again the same process only. D is equal to the second term minus 6 minus first term minus 10. So that is equal to minus 6 plus 10, that is equal to plus 4. So difference is 4 here. Now I'm coming to the next difference here. That is the difference between third term and second term. Third term is minus 2 minus of minus 6, that is equal to minus 2 plus 6. The difference is 4. Now again come to the next term. The fourth term is 2 minus of second term, that is minus 2, that is become 2 plus 2, answer is 4. And here the difference are same. So therefore we can say is one, the given numbers form an AP. So in this case we are going to find the next three terms of the given expression. So what are the next three terms? Now already four terms given here. I am going to find A5. So A5 is equal to A4 plus D. A4 is 2 and difference is 4. So therefore answer is 6. Same way A6 is equal to A5 plus D. A5 is 6 and difference is D. Difference is 4. So 6 plus 4, 10. And the seventh term is equal to 6th term plus difference. 6th term is 10. Difference is 4. So 14. For this one, the three more terms for the given AP is 6, 10, 14. So it forms an AP. So we can find three more terms. Now I'm coming to the fifth question. Question number 5. The first term is 3. Second term is 3 plus root 2. Third term is 3 plus 2 root 2. And the fourth term is 3 plus 3 root 2. I'm going to find the difference here. D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to A2 is equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So therefore answer is square root of 2. Now I'm coming for the next term. There is a3 minus a2. The third term here is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. Okay, so when you subtract this one, better use a bracket here, because sometimes when you use like this, we cancel only minus 3 and plus 3 and we'll forget about this one. So we have to add a bracket here. So in this case, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. So plus 3 and minus 3 get cancelled, and in this case we have 2 root 2 minus root 2. Again the answer is root 2. The difference is root 2. Now I am going to find the next difference, that is the a4 minus a3, and a4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus, whenever you have more than one term use a bracket. So 3 plus, what is the value of a3? 3 plus 2 root 2. So in this case I expand here, 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. So finally what happened? We get the answer 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, and that is equal to root 2. So in the previous steps you can use 1 plus 3 and minus 3 get cancelled, so therefore answer is root 2. In the given series, the question number 5, we have the difference is 2, root 2, square root of 2. Now I am going to find the 3 more terms for the given AP. Okay, so I write the value here. Okay, so already we have the value like 3 comma 3 plus root 2 comma 3 plus 2 root 2 comma 3 plus 3 root 2. So now I am going to find the fifth term. A5 is equal to A4 plus difference. A4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 and the difference is square root of 2. So therefore is equal to 3 plus 4 root 2. Now the sixth term, A6 is equal to A5 plus D. A5 is equal to 3 plus 4 root 2 and the difference is square root of 2. So that is equal to 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2 equal to 5 root 2. Okay, so 5 root 2. Same way we have A7, that is equal to A6 plus D, and A6 equal to A plus 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2, that is equal to 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2 is equal to 6 times of root 2. So now we got 3 more terms for the given AP. So the 3 more terms for this, 3 plus 4 root 2 comma 3 plus 5 root 2 comma 3 plus 6 root 2. Now move on to the next one, sixth one. Sixth one, the first number is 0.2, second number is 0.22, third number is 0.222 and fourth number is 0.222 and so on. I'm going to find the difference here. So D is equal to second term minus first term. The second term here is 0.22, first term is 0.2 and the difference is 0.02. Now I'm going to find the difference between third term and the second term, that is A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. So A3 is equal to 0.222 and the second term is 0.22. So therefore the difference is 0.002. Now the same way I'm going to find the difference between fourth term and the third term. So A4 minus A3. A4 is 0.222 minus 0.222 here. So in this case the difference is 0.002. So now the difference is not same. So therefore it is not an AP. Okay. So it is not a AP. So therefore next 3 terms is not possible to find. So now I'm going to 7th question. So 7th question says like this way, the first term is 0, second term is minus 4, third term is minus 8 and fourth term is minus 12. So I'm going to find the difference here. As usual, second term minus first term, second term is minus 4, and the first term is 0. So therefore the difference is minus 4. Now I'm going to find the difference between third term and second term, a3 minus a2. a3 minus a2. a3 is equal to minus 8 and a2 equal to minus 4. So minus of minus 4. So that is equal to minus 8. Minus of minus 4 change into plus 4. So therefore the difference is minus 4. Now the next case, d is equal to a4 minus a3. What is the value of a4? Is a minus 12 and minus a3 value is minus 8. So finally what happened? Minus 12 minus of minus 8 is plus 8. So therefore the difference is minus 4. So D is same. Therefore it form an AP. So AP possible. Okay. It forms a AP. So in this case I am going to form the AP here. So already what are the values given to me? 0, comma, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12 given here, and I found the difference is equal to minus 4. Difference is minus 4. So in this case A5 is equal to A4 plus D. So that is equal to A4 is minus 12 plus the difference is minus 4. So plus minus 4 equal to minus. So minus 12 minus 4, that is equal to minus 16. The same way, a sixth term is equal to fifth term plus difference. The fifth term here is minus 16 plus the difference is minus 4. That is equal to minus 16 minus 4, that is equal to minus 20. And the seventh term A7 equal to A6 plus D, and A6 is equal to minus 20 and the difference is minus 4, and therefore minus 20 minus 4, that is equal to minus 24. So the three more terms in the given AP is minus 16, minus 20 and minus 24. Okay. So now move on to the next case here. Eighth one. So eighth question. Here we have the series like minus 1 by 2, comma, minus 1 by 2, comma, minus 1 by 2, comma, minus 1 by 2. So D is equal to A2 minus A1. Here A2 is minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. So that is nothing but minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. In this case I got the difference 0. I got the difference 0. Now the same case I am going for the next one. There is a difference between third term and the second term. The third term is minus 1 by 2. Again minus of minus 1 by 2. The same process will repeat. Difference is 0. And the same way for the fourth term also. I am going to find the difference between fourth and third term. A4 minus A3. A4 is minus 1 by 2. Minus of minus 1 by 2. Minus of minus 1 by 2 equal to plus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to 0. So now it forms an AP. Since the D is common, it forms a AP. It forms a AP. So now I'm going to find the next three terms in this case. So what are the next three terms? Already we know the first four terms is a minus 1 by 2, comma, minus 1 by 2, comma, minus 1 by 2, comma, minus 1 by 2. Four terms over. The fifth term is equal to A4 plus D. So A4 is minus 1 by 2, difference is 0, therefore the fifth term is minus 1 by 2. The sixth term here is fifth term plus difference. The fifth term here is minus 1 by 2, difference is 0, again minus 1 by 2, and A7 is equal to A6, that is sixth term plus difference, it is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 0, therefore it is a minus 1 by 2. So the three more terms for the given AP are minus 1 by 2, comma, minus 1 by 2, comma, minus 1 by 2. Okay. So now move on to the ninth question here. Okay. So ninth question says 1, 3, 9, 27. First I'm going to find the difference here. D is equal to the same one, second term minus first term. So second term is 3, first term is 1, so difference is 2. Now I'm going to find the difference between third and second term. So A3 minus A2 is equal to, A3 is 9 and A2 is 2, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Now I'm going to find the difference between fourth and third term. A4 minus A3, A4 is 27 and third term is 9. So 27 minus 9 is equal to 18. So now look at this one, difference is not the same everywhere. So automatically it will form an AP. So there is no AP in this case. It is not an AP. It is not a AP. So therefore next 3 term we not find out this one. Now I am going to the 10th sum. So 10th sum is first term A, second term 2A, 3A and 4A. Again the same process. Repeat this one. D equal to second term minus first term. The second term is equal to 2A and first term is A. 2A minus A is equal to A. Now I am going to find the difference between third term and second term. So A3 minus A2, that is equal to, A3 is the 3A, second term is A2A, 3A minus 2A is equal to A. Again the difference between fourth term and the third term. A4 minus A3, that is the 4A minus 3A, so that is equal to A. So in this case common difference is same, so it forms a AP. It forms a AP. So I can easily find the next 3 terms. So how to find next 3 terms? A5 is equal to A4 plus D. What is the A4? 4A. A4 is 4A. What is the difference? A. So 4A plus A is equal to 5A. Sixth term A6 is equal to fifth term plus difference. So fifth term in this case is 5A and the difference is A. 5A plus A equal to 6A. And the last term, seventh term, A7 equal to A6 plus D, that is equal to 6A plus A, that is equal to 7A. Okay, so now the answer is, the final answer is, we have to write 5A, 6A, 7A. 10th sum over. Now I am going to 11th sum. So 11th sum is given here is A square, A cube, A4, A to the power 4. So by looking itself you can say it's not an AP, but anyway we have to prove in a simple way. Since powers of A, we can go for D is equal to A2 minus A, that is equal to A square minus A. Okay, no need to calculate the value and all this one. The same way we go for next difference, D is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 is equal to A cube and A square. So we know already this one, A square minus A will not be equal to A cube minus A square. So now come back to next case. You can add just here A square minus A, the difference is not equal to A cube minus A square. It clearly says one, there is no common difference in this case. Anyway, we go for one more difference here. That is the difference between fourth term and the third term. So in this case, what is the fourth term? Fourth term is equal to A4, A to the power 4, and third term is A to the power 3. Okay, and we know this one, the first difference, A square minus A is not equal to A cube minus A square, and that is not equal to A to the power 4 minus A cube. So therefore it is not an AP. It is not a AP. So therefore no need to find the next 3 terms. So now I am going to the 12th question. Okay, so 12th question, the terms are square root of 2, square root of 8, square root of 18, square root of 32. So whenever we have a square root number here, possibly we can split and try to find out some common difference here. So I just split in this way, square root of 2. Instead of writing 8, I'm going to write 4 into 2. The same way, instead of writing 18, I'm going to write 9 into 2. 9 into 2. Instead of 32, I'm going to write 16 into 2. So now the same expression can written as square root 2. Square root of 4 is 2. So 2 root 2 I'm writing here. Square root of 9 is 3. So 3 root 2. And square root of 16 is 4. And therefore I am 4 root 2. So now easy for me to find the difference here. So d is equal to second term minus first term. Here the second term is 2 root 2. The first term is root 2. So 2 root 2 minus root 2 equal to, answer is what? 1. 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2. That is the square difference is root 2. Okay. Or if you have a little doubt, what you can do is keep root 2 common. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore, root 2 into 1, that is equal to root 2. Like this also you can write. If you need, you can add this way. Otherwise, it's not necessary. If you want to understand this better, you can add this point here. Okay. So now I'm going to the next two more difference here. So in this case, I have, again I'm writing the value for my reference, root 2, 2 root 2, and 3 root 2, 4 root 2. So difference between third term and second term, a3 minus a2. Third term is 3 root 2 minus second term is 2 root 2. As usual, take it root 2 common. It becomes 3 minus 2, that is equal to root 2 into 1, that is equal to square root of 2. So now I'm going for the next difference. So d is equal to a4 minus a3, that is equal to, what is the fourth term? 4 root 2. Third term is 3 root 2. Again the same process, keep root 2 common. It is nothing but 4 minus 3, that is equal to root 2 into 1, that is equal to root 2. So in all this case, the difference is same. So therefore, given numbers form an AP. It forms a AP. Okay. So now I'm going to find the next three terms. So it is a AP. So I'm going to find next three terms. How to find next three terms? So next three terms are A5. So A5 is equal to A4 plus D. What is A4? A4 is 4 square root 2 and difference is root 2. 4 root 2 plus root 2 equal to 5 root 2. Next one, sixth term, A6 equal to A5 plus difference. A5 is equal to 5 root 2 and the difference is root 2, that is equal to 6 root 2, and A7 is equal to A6 plus D, that is equal to 6 root 2 plus root 2, that is equal to 7 root 2. So therefore the three more terms are 5 root 2 comma 6 root 2 comma 7 root 2. Okay. So now come to the last three part of this one, that is the question number 13. So I'm going for question number 13 in this case. Root 3 comma root 6 comma root 9 comma root 12. So by looking itself we can say this one, it will not form an AP because the difference between second and first term is not same. So d equal to a2 minus a1, that is equal to square root of 6 minus square root of 3. Okay, keep as it is. Now next one, a3 minus a2, that is square root of 9 minus square root of 6. Again it's not equal. Now the third one here, this is a4 minus a3. What is the a4 value? Square root of 12 and a3 is square root of 9. So it clearly says 1. Square root of 6 minus square root of 3 is not equal to square root of 9 minus square root of 6. So in a free, you can try yourself. What is the value of root 6? What is the value of root 9? Root 9 is 3. 3 minus square root of 6. You take the use a calculator and find out. Definitely the difference is not uniform. Okay. So therefore, again it's not equal to, so square root of 12 minus square root of 9. So the given numbers does not form AP. Okay, it does not form say AP. So now it's not a AP, right? The answer, not a AP. Now come to the next one. Question number 14. So here we have 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus 7 square. We expand this one. 1 square is 1, 5 square, 3 square is 9. Second term is 3 square, that is 9. And 5 square is 25. And 7 square is 49. So here the difference I am going to find. D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is 9 minus 1, that is equal to 8. Again, the next difference, A3 minus A2, that is equal to 25 minus 9, that is equal to 16. Now again come here, A4 minus A3. A4 is 49, A3 is 25, the difference is 24. Now the D is not same. So therefore, the given number not it doesn't form an AP. Okay, so it's not a AP. So no need to find the next three terms. Now last question in this case, that is 1 square, 5 square, 7 square and 73. Question number 15. 1 square, comma 5 square, comma 7 square, comma 73. So that is equal to 1 square is 1, 5 square is 25, 7 square is a 49 and 73. Okay, sometimes students write 73 square or 7 square, something they confuse. It's 73. Given question is 73. Okay, so now I'm going to find the difference. The same process, A2 minus A1. So that is equal to 25 minus 1, that is equal to 24. Now the second difference, A3 minus A2. What is A3? 49 minus A2 25. Again the difference is 24. And D is equal to like A4 minus A3. A4 is 73 and A3 is a 49. Again look at this one, the difference is 24. So we can justify, yeah, we have a common difference. So definitely it's going to form AAP. So in this case, I'm going to find AP. The fifth term, sixth term, I'm going to find out this one. So I need a little space. I'm going to the next page now. In this case, I write here. Okay. So the number is 1, 25, 49 and 73. So A5, fifth term is equal to fourth term plus difference. The fourth term is 73 and the difference is 24. So therefore answer is 97. So it is a 97. Again sixth term equal to fifth term plus difference. Fifth term is 97 and the difference is 24. So when I add this one, like 11 is 1, 2, 1. Okay, so A7, that is equal to A6 plus D. A6 is equal to 121 plus 24, that is equal to 145. Okay, so you can write the expression like 1, 25, 49, 73, 97, 121, 145. Okay, and if you look at the actual original question, they written like this: 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73 written. Now if it's possible, we would write in terms of square, otherwise write in terms of number. 97 is not a square number, so just keep 97. 121 is we can find square, so 11 square. And 145. Like this also we can write. Even the first part is also correct, second part is also correct. Nothing wrong with this one.